Okay. Now let's take up the problems asked in the previous year entrance exam. The first problem is the distance between the foci is 16 and eccentricity is half. Then what is the length of the major axis of the ellipse? Now let me just draw the ellipse, and it is mentioned that the distance between the foci, in an ellipse you have two foci due to symmetry. This is the center. What is the coordinates of the first focus? AE comma 0. So this is AE comma 0. So what is this distance? CS. CS is how much? AE. Now CS dash is also AE, but S dash is minus AE comma 0. But this distance CS dash is also AE, but we have written a minus sign only to indicate that it is on the left side. But what is this actual distance? AE only. So what is the total distance between the foci? SS dash. So distance between foci means CS plus CS dash. Are you following? This distance is 1 AE. This distance is another AE. So what is the total distance between the foci from S to S dash? So this is AE plus AE, that is 2AE. So here it is given that the distance between the foci is 2AE. This implies that 2AE is 16. It is given that 2AE is 16 and E is equal to half. E is equal to half. So this implies 2A into half. You substitute the value of E. 2AE is equal to 16. 2 and 2 cancel. So A is equal to 16. Now you want to find the length of the major axis. What is the formula for the major axis? 2A. That is 2 into 16, which is equal to 32 units. That's the length of the major axis. Option 3 is the correct answer. If they give the distance between the directrices, also make a note of the distance between the directrices. This is the first directrix, A by E. This is the second directrix, X equals minus A by E. This is Z and this is Z dash. Now what is CZ? CZ equals A by E, because this distance is A by E, this distance. And this is also A by E, but on to the left side. So A by E plus A by E is 2A by E. Note that the distance between the directrices, distance between the foci is 2AE. Distance between the directrices is 2A by E. That type of problems are also asked. Distance between the directrices of an ellipse is 2A by E.